All right, welcome to section 3 and photo presets. In this video, we're going to talk about the landscape 2" by 3" photo preset. So let's head over to Photoshop. And what I want to do is click on Create New. And we're going to go to Photo. And we're going to do Landscape 2 by 3. Okay. Now, if we click on View All Presets, just so you can see all the presets we're going to talk about. There you go. You can see them all right here. The other one I'm not covering is default Photoshop size because this is really just for photos. So let's do landscape 2 by 3. And so what we're going to do is let's hit create. I want you to hit file, save as, and we're going to save this as 2 by 3. And let's do landscape 2 by 3. Okay, and we'll just save that right on the desktop. And we'll number this. Let's give it a 01, landscape 2 by 3, and then hit save. All right. Now minimize Photoshop for a second. Let's head over to Firefox or whatever web browser you're using. And I'm going to go to Google.com, and I'm going to type in Grand Canyon. And I'm going to do the skywalk. Okay. So I'm going to go to Images, and we're going to go to Grand Canyon West. We'll just go to that one. You can right click on this and just save the image as. We'll just save it right to the desktop. I'm going to minimize this and then right click on it, and we're going to open it with Photoshop. Okay. Now I'm going to hit Control A, Control C, and we'll go to 01 landscape 2 by 3 and hit Control V to paste that in. And now you can see the kind of stuff that you can do with this preset is you could really put an image like this, and you can go in a lot of different directions with this, but this is a great preset to use if you have a wide shot of something that you're using, of something that you're taking a picture of, and you want to put it in a nice frame. The 2 by 3 is a really good size for that. You know, for a desk, something like that. So that is the 2 by 3 landscape. So hit file and save, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.